Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to make calls on Redmi A5. So to do this, you have just to click on the green icon on the bottom left of the screen. And after that, here you have this green icon. If you want to tap the number of the person that you want to call, like you have just to click on that green icon. And after that, type the number of the person that you want to call. And after that, click again on that green phone icon and you will make your phone call like with Redmi A5. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.